So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday the 8th of November, XAUUSD, also known as gold. Now, let's just have a quick look at the market. So we've had prices come up on the 7th, we've seen a sell-off, we've seen a further sell-off. We've reacted negatively to this test of the 400 period average just here in black, and we have come down to this 200 period average where we seem to have found a bit of buying side momentum coming to the market in around that 250 period moving average combination. So we do look poised for another test of 1279, beyond which we'll be looking for 1284. Those are the next major levels. We might see some reaction in around this previous swing high in around 1282, but levels we're looking for is 1284, 1284, and beyond 1284 we're looking at 1296 all the way up there. We're looking for price to get all the way up there. Let's just see where they are. That would where I expect the far end of the range to be 1296. This is more realistic target 1284. Now if we do break down from where we are at present, we'll see our prices react in around the 1266 level, which is around there, and below which we're looking to see 1263, which has been a major level for a couple of months now. So yes, that should be our downside targets analyzed and our upside targets. And overall, I would say this is still at this point we're trading in somewhat bullish zone, not very strong one due to the deepness of this retracement. We do seem to have a bullish zone, so I think it's more likely that we'll have a test of that 1284, then immediately break down towards that 1266. So I'm just going to have a look at the higher time frames. So let's just get an answer correct. So on this daily chart, we can see so sorry about this, I'm just having a look at the charts. I tend not to like doing silence. So on the daily charts we can have here, we've had a highs, we've had a most recent swing high, and again, so it's lower high. Here we've come down to the 1263, quite a bit of a bid, but we're in a bit of a consolidation at the moment, so we're poised for a breakout. Usually these consolidations are usually broken on fundamental news catalysts. So we do see a breakout to the downside. We've already identified levels below 1243. If we do have a breakout to the upside, we'll be targeting that. If it is a strong catalyst favorable to the pound, well, not the pound, sorry, a strong catalyst favorable to the favorable to gold, we could potentially see prices move towards that 1305 level before we see some retracement. But overall, we do expect 1305, and especially on this daily chart, and 1243 to be the very far ends of both ranges. And yeah, let's just have a quick look. So yeah, we've got lower highs. Let's clean this up. Let's just see. I'm just gonna have a look to see if I've missed anything. On this daily chart, the only thing of note really that I've not mentioned is the 200 period average here in blue and 400 period average here in black. So these two may act as very strong support in around that 1263 level if we do see a further retracement in prices before we potentially see a move to the upside to target that 1305, which is a very ambitious target. We would first have to navigate 1284, 1296 before looking for a test of that 1305 level. And we're just going to have a look at the weekly chart before wrapping up here. On the weekly chart, again, the most recent trend has been to the downside, with candles being bearish. Now, we have, so far this week, we are trading in bullish territory, but the overall trend, the primary trend here has been to the downside, even though the overall trend has been to the upside, but of a cautious nature due to the heavy retracements that we have seen. So the heavy retracements potentially point to, bear with me a second here, the heavy retracements points to the fact that the bulls don't have complete control of the market. So we do have to bear that in mind. We do have to see if we do react positively to that 1263 that I've already mentioned, before we can target the upside targets. So I don't want to repeat myself a few more times, so I'm just going to wrap up the analysis here. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.